Okay folks, here he comes. Kanawha River Railroad train number 50, registered as an NS loaded coal train on the West Virginia Secondary, en route to Pleasantville, Ohio. ES-44DC, loaded coal train, en route to Watkins Yard in Columbus. As soon as he gets into Watkins tonight, 380 will head southbound if it gets clearance later tonight, probably early in the morning depending on the schedule. He's slowing down for Thurston, which is probably the location where they'll drop off the helper. Speaking of which, here they come, engine 6002 and 6006. And there he goes, en route to Watkins. Stay tuned for more video footage. Tower 93, over and out.